Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for a chemistry test in one day. First, quickly scan your syllabus or notes to pinpoint the most crucial topics. Prioritize concepts that carry significant weight or appear frequently in your assignments. Spend about 15 minutes reviewing previous quizzes and homework to understand common question formats and identify your weak spots. This initial step is vital for efficient last-minute preparation. Next, engage in active recall. Don't just reread. Try to explain concepts out loud as if teaching someone else. This method helps solidify your understanding. Dedicate at least 1 hour to working through practice problems. Focus on understanding the steps, not just getting the right answer. Chemistry often involves applying formulas, so practice using them correctly and efficiently. Now it's time for targeted review. Revisit any topics that you found particularly challenging during your practice. Spend about 30 minutes reviewing your common errors. Then, create a quick self-test, perhaps 10 to 15 questions covering key areas. Take this test under timed conditions if possible. Afterward, meticulously check your answers and dedicate another 20 minutes to restudying any concepts you got wrong. Finally, remember the importance of rest. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep the night before your test. This is crucial for memory consolidation. On test day, eat a balanced meal and stay well hydrated. Arrive at the testing location a few minutes early with all your required materials, like a calculator and pencils. A calm mind and good preparation will significantly boost your performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.